So what you want to do is get a Post-it note, washi tape, something. Okay, so let me grab my other plate. So I have it right there. Okay, so for this particular one, it's best to stamp your sentiment first and then die cut after, because then you know how big you want it. And I think you'd probably do the same for, you know, most of them. So you see how the die is too short? It would cut the S off. So what you want to do is get your Post-it, and I'm going to put it probably about here. You know, it doesn't matter because that's, so you want to put it to the point where you don't want to cut any further. You want to stop. So let's go down to the E on the Mary. Okay, so put that down. Oops. This also works with your full size die cutting machine. But what I'm going to do is feed that through, and then the Post-it note is there, so I'm going to stop right at the Post-it note, go about there, right, and then wheel it back, wind it back. Okay, I'm going to remove the Post-it note. And you see how it didn't cut the rest of it? So now we're going to line this up to cut the rest of it. So when you put it back onto your label that you've already cut a little bit, sometimes it grabs, sometimes it doesn't. I did feel one of it grabbing, so it did grab there. So we're going to go up to here. Again, it was the E. So I'm going to put that right there. I'm going to flip this around because I just want to cut that part now. I'm just lining that up here. Wind it back. Hopefully I got the whole thing. Let's see. There you go. So there you go. And this is how, see how this is, it's probably about a ½ inch bigger that I made it by doing that. So hope you enjoyed that tip. All right, put that aside. And again, as I mentioned, this does work with your full-size Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine or any other die cutting machine. You just have to, you know, figure it out. And I would say play with it first before you start using your good paper to cut.